Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, we saw on yesterday's episode of Uthando Nesthembu that Ned decides to call a meeting with her siblings to explain to the other siblings ukuthi uMusa bekade egula and they couldn't tell them ukuthi uMusa bekagula because they were in school. Particularly speaking about uLokhuzana Mpilo and uAbongwe. They are the two siblings that were not told that uMusa was sick because they were at rest or something like that. Now guys, I saw this comment and it just made me laugh. Now uAbongwe was not fine with that, you guys. Umpilo was like, mina, I appreciate ukuthi uma angitshelanga that, you know, ubaba bekade egula, because knowing me, I would have wanted to come home and I would have not been fine. But uAbongwe says, listen, I already knew about this. I received a phone call from someone telling me ukuthi my father is not well. And I'm just like, yes, abantu baya papa. That person must tap his bindi to call uAbongwe. I'm sure that person doesn't even call uAbongwe. God does to out of the blue. You want to be the first one breaking the news about the father. Ay, kahlabanye abantu, they must learn to just stick to their places or their positions. And then uAbongwe goes on to say, the thing that she didn't like is that she feels like her family was making her istormy. They were making her a stupid because she would video call her father and she could see her father's not fine, but everyone kept saying, hi, all right. Now there was someone who was saying, uAbongwe, why abantu? She must stop being angry with everyone. She must be angry at who? At uMaXele. Someone said ukuthi hayi bo phela uma wakhe akakutshelanga ukuthi ubaba wakhe uyagula because busy sneaking in, busy no number 5. I loved you guys because is there no truth in that? I feel like there is sort of a truth with that. uMaXele vele guys, she was busy in indaba number 5, busy sneaking in number 5 into the hospital, busy making sure that number 5 is comfortable while ingane yakhe ile eGoli and she's not telling her child anything. So people are like, no, Abonga, don't be angry at Abosne and stuff like that, because Osne nabo batsheli ukuthi they must not tell you guys. The only person here you must be angry at Uzumawa, because your mother was busy ngalendaba that is shaking the nation instead of telling you the truth. I laughed at that, guys, but I understand. Like, I sympathize no Abongwe because she really seems as if she's close with her father. And it would have been a painful thing, Gembela, if anything worse had happened to uMusa and she didn't know. But at the end of the day, sometimes, guys, as families, we've got to make tough decisions for the sake of ingane. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I don't know uAbongwe, what did she want them to do? Is she saying yena, she has the mental capacity to be able to still focus on school while her father's not okay? Angazi, but abantu are different. Just the way uMpilo is different from uAbongwe. Maybe next time they should treat it differently. But I was just like, I feel like I don't even know if this is right to say, but the way she was addressing the rest of the siblings, I've said this before on Izingane Nesthembu, there seems to be like this rivalry of who is like the sibling wears a lot of authority between Mpumelelo and uAbongwe. Do you understand what I'm saying? But anyway, as I'm saying, maybe it's just a thing of uAbongwe is close to her father. That's why she acts in that way. Because even the way she was speaking, I was just like, there's that niana, that authoritative thing. Angazi, whether some people call it ukuthi it's leadership skills or whatnot. But I get where she was coming from. She was not fine with the way the family decided to do things. But anyway, guys, you tell me about what your thoughts were on that whole scene and uAbongwe's feelings towards the matter. Let's park it right here. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.